Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm your host Daniel. I'm your ISA2 surf coach and the founder of the Surf Companions, which you can order. It's for illustrating your surf knowledge combined. But today's topic is all about how to get rid of your poo stance. A poo stance is this one. So listen carefully. I'm going to show you right now with the help of my pen and my iPad how to do it. So instead of doing the poo stance, you should do the right stance. And the right stance looks like this. So what is the difference? You see, and I'm a positive coach, so I want to teach you the right techniques so you will understand what to do, especially on your backside. Backside surfing means she is looking for herself, like to the left, which is for regular surfer. Regular means when the left foot is in front, means that you go to the left side. A left-hander is backside for a regular surfer. By the way, once again, a regular surfer we call when the left foot is in front, the left foot. If you're a goofy, yes, there's maybe time for another story why it's called goofy, your right foot is in front. So, what to improve to come from this position, from the poo stance to the right position? We call it the chest over front knee position. What is important for you to know is the technique itself. And it's maybe too simple, but trust me, if you do that, you can turn to the right and to the left with ease and you feel always stable. So you are more stable in your position and you can better turning, and overall the rotation, the biomechanics will work for you. So the right technique. What we actually want in surfing is a neutral stance. We call this neutral stance because it's neutral compared to compressed or decompressed and so on. So you see that her body posture is almost the same as this one, and we called it the neutral stance because it's neutral, like I said, or the set position because knees, chest and head, you see that, is almost like a set, like Zorro. What helps you to understand is, especially, I'm going to zoom a bit in, like her shoulder parts is way more open, especially to the left, compare if you would still do this one. You see that? If both arms are on one side, what is the natural course, because our body wants to stay in balance over the board, like we always want to have the balance because we don't want to fall, is when both hands are on that side, your hip has to go natural to the other one. I repeat again, if both hands are on that side, this is the surfboard, and both hands are here, naturally your hip has to go to the other side. Why? Because we want to keep balance over the board. So now you understand why your body is doing the measurement, but I give you the positive and the right tip to do so, to do the right way, and it is keep your left arm left and keep your right arm right. So you see the left arm is here and the right arm is here. You could open more if you want to have a more radical turning. You see it especially with short boarders, but, and now it comes, there's a really nice video I think from Stephanie Gilmore. She actually says like her left arm never goes across this line. So if you imagine your stringer, the stringer is the middle of your surfboard, it never surpasses, if this is your left hand, it never surpasses here on the other side. It will never go to the side. So next time you surf and this is your left hand, at least stop in front of your knee. You will get more balance and you have a better posture and it looks more stylish. Okay, so if you want to get rid of your poo stance next time, because I'm a positive coach, don't tell yourself like, oh, poo stance. No, switch it, put it away, put it in the trash. You're not doing this poo stance anymore. No, you know now what you should do. you should do the set position. Do the chest over front knee. We call it because the chest is over the front knee. So do the chest over front knee position. Chest over front knee position. Do that kind of position instead of telling yourself like poo poo poo. No, this is gone from now on. After this video, you will only do the right technique, and it is chest over front knee set position to remind you in your head. Call yourself whoop, right arm right and left arm left. Doesn't matter if you're goofy or you're regular. That will help you already to have an amazing stance. By the way, all those techniques I told you, this is only one little bit what I teach you live, what I teach you here in the YouTube channel. Give a like, comment down below if you like what I just did here. And of course, I would love to coach you personally in one of our retreats this summer here in South France. We have the Surf Camp retreat, and also in North Spain, our more premium big house, small groups in North Spain. Check it out on our website, link is down below. And of course, get more surf knowledge with the Surf Companions. So can't wait to see you in the next video. If you want to have a topic explained, drop it down below, follow us on Instagram, and can't wait to see you in the next video.